Hello guys, so this little loser and this little loser is going to somewhat compete with me in a DIY fishing rod challenge. So on my countdown, we're going to start in 3, 2, 1, go! Braden's going over there! Braden's going over there! Ah! Oh my god, Brookshire's a buddy!
What they don't know is that the wood is where the sticks are.
Corbin,
Who would have thought? The woods are where the sticks are.
Alright. I think I'm gonna crawl or jump over this fence.
Look,
So
there's a bunch of trees falling down.
hopefully this isn't on. It's not on. Alright.
Alright. Go to the dirty.
I got through. And I'm gonna just grab this stick, chop it off, and then I'm good. Somebody.
This is
I'm gonna
actually
do those whenever
cooked.
I achieve the
They're
stick.
absolutely cooked. Let's get like
And yeah, it's a pretty massive stick. So I don't know how I'm gonna. Or maybe I'm gonna chop off
right
some
here.
piece.
It's like 3 trees.
I think this
falling.
piece right here is good.
What are they doing?
Alright, I got it.
Followed me, because
I got the stick
I own the place.
right here. Now I'm gonna go to bark it.
See that long stick?
And
Not that
hopefully it's
one.
not soaking wet on
Right.
the inside.
We gonna get.
And yeah, I'll see you whenever I get over there. So
We're gonna saw that off. I think 2's good, cause yeah, if we need more, we can run back. I don't know why that ran. This is where they ran to. Y'all are cooked! Y'all are actually cooked. Where are those sticks? Look at that bum. Look at that. Let me zoom in. Look at that bum. Oh shoot, maybe I got too thick of ones.
go.
Look at that loser.
This is the sixth one.
I was gonna get 3.
I have this one right here, which I think is gonna be good.
Yeah, I feel like that's gonna be
I
good.
hope it is good. This is my only stick I got. So
Oh, I should have got other knives. Can I go in and get another knife?
no.
No?
Alright.
Let's like stop. Let's do like right
I
here.
got my stick.
Why?
Because I forgot to tell you. I got my stick.
Alright, let's do it outside of the dog fence. I don't want the dogs sitting on us. I don't want anyone getting cut.
I'm not gonna sit on the grass. So
Now
get,
I'm about to
you know.
cut this up. Don't mind my outfit.
Yeah. So I'm gonna set my phone up.
We actually get a fish with these?
Hello.
We're just
So
making
I'm
them
gonna be
for
filming
next
it.
video.
This is the line I got, by the way.
Not recording.
What do you think?
Fishing with it?
I mean, this
Hey,
one's
yes.
gonna be sturdy.
Mine is gonna be a little crooked.
But
and it's gonna be a little hard to start because
yeah,
it's like.
Drew.
He need another
What?
one,
Yeah. This one's a good one.
I'm recording 55 feet.
What?
No, I'm getting my stick. That's one. I'll take this.
We're behind the.
Not recording.
the
I mean,
thing
this
where the
one's
dog's
gonna
go,
be
so the dog's
sturdy.
gonna annoy us.
Mine is going to be a little crooked, like fully broken half. And it's going to be a little harder.
I think I'm gonna
You
break
can
this
get
off.
another one, Brady. It's just gonna take longer.
This one's a good one.
I saw your butt crack, by the way.
I'll just have to hold it like this.
I think I can break it off in my hand. Let's see.
Come on, have that. Actually,
Okay.
Oh, there we go. I got it.
Yeah, I've been cutting with the wrong side the whole time.
Third period? Nice. Alright, I cracked it off.
I did nothing.
Nothing?
Shut up.
But this class right
Alright,
now.
I'm gonna get this stuff off and then I'm gonna debark it. Like the leaves and stuff so it looks better. And like these little stuff that branch off. So,
That class was so fun, Brady.
I did nothing.
yeah.
I know. Shut up. Oh my.
But this class right now, I do like a lot of projects.
Ah, I can't get it. Alright, I'm starting to cut it off.
This has like
This knife is gonna
4
get dull.
fishing rods on it, like it needs.
It's gonna be the challenge. The challenge is gonna get
I don't know. If
harder
this one
throughout the
doesn't look
way.
good, and I'm gonna use the other one.
I want you to now got sharpened his knife with the brick, and it was really sharp. To the end of your stick.
Oh.
You think this is too long?
We can get rocks to sharpen it.
Okay. These are official sticks, so
Actually,
yeah,
I went to
official.
Bio, and this guy sharpened his knife with a brick, and it was really sharp. This is good.
I'm about to get this one off.
Ah,
So
Knife
it's gonna
one
be easier,
out.
so I don't have
So I
any
pull out my second knife. This one's gonna be
boundaries
terrible
to
too.
get through. Whenever I get to the demarcation.
These are official sticks, so actually, I have like 1 gigabyte official.
Didn't delete stuff.
I
Wait, now you're gonna ruin
Make
it.
the video longer, then after you're done, have you send it to Drew?
Delete it.
Exactly. I am.
Then record.
So Brady's walking away.
This kid
for it.
over
Oh,
here,
no, he's
Brady,
not. He just
is
stopped
not
recording.
filming.
Like
So
a loser.
we're gonna get like a minute of point of view. This one is not coming.
Brady, just make the video longer.
Drew.
Then after you're done, after you send it to Drew.
Every single time we fish over here, I have
Exactly.
it wrong.
What?
I got this.
Let's get over here, Brady.
Yes, you have terrible luck. You always have to work hard.
Yeah, you got
And he's the worst
We're
fisherman
breaking
here
the
too.
steak. I think he got too thick of a steak. I'm trying to Scott right now.
He has terrible luck. I forgot about that.
Alright, I think I'm just gonna leave it
Yes, he has
like
terrible
this,
luck.
so it looks
He always
more
has to work a
natural.
lot.
And maybe cut off this part so it's a little.
Bro, that river is so high. It's over the bridge over there.
If you know what I mean.
Yeah. But that one's over the bridge.
Oh yeah, that one.
I mean, so dead serious. It's over the bridge.
I can't get this.
I need to actually go. You see the one over there?
But that one's over the bridge.
It definitely it rained like 20 feet.
Alright, so
Yes,
as you
it
can
did.
tell, it rained like.
Look at the pond.
inches.
Look at the lake. Look at the creek.
The place that we literally fished.
Look at the pond.
It is no, it is completely
Well, it
under.
rained-
Look at the creek.
The place that we literally fished is.
It rained.
Yes.
No, it is completely under.
Is that just entrance?
Alright, well, it rained a lot last night, so our sticks are gonna be.
It's rained all day until like right now.
It's rained all day until.
It said it was going to thunderstorm all day, but I had
I know, that's why I didn't want to film it.
just check. But just check.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been.
All right, we should be.
Alright, I just broke it.
We could throw the football later.
Bro, I need another.
And today this is not gonna be our only video.
Actually, gonna be our.
It's gonna be we're gonna film other stuff too. So maybe.
Just post it throughout the week.
Or into working now.
We should go listen.
You could walk, you can
Exolana
walk.
tatted on her body. Wish we could listen to music.
We're such
You could, well, you can like for me.
I know, but then you know, for
That's not my
copyright,
knife.
Excuse me?
we're such a low amount of subscribers.
I need
Shit!
another stick.
Well, won't.
Imagine that was my knife.
How about this?
Imagine.
This knife and this with your knife.
I need another stick.
Alright,
No.
Look how short this one is.
well, you get a bigger
How about
Yeah,
this?
pick
I'll
one.
trade.
Pick one.
I'll trade this knife
Alright.
and this for your knife.
This is how much progress I got through.
Let me see.
Well, they're
These
kind of
two-
training
no,
stuff.
no.
That sucks. I'm not taking it. Wait, let me see. Well, you get a bigger.
Yeah. Pick one, and whichever one you want.
That type of stuff sucks. Why did you not take this?
Did you actually trade?
Yeah, you can have that one if I can have your knife.
That stick is worse.
And you
That's gonna be
get this
so
knife with
thin.
Well, they're
little?
trading stuff.
That's gonna look
Look how
terrible.
thin yours is.
Yeah, but mine actually has some structure to it. Yours has
Stick the knife up.
brittleness.
Brittleness?
This kid just got scammed.
So Brady has the worst stick in the world.
That might still suck. I mean, don't trade.
Who's gonna rate
You
it?
actually trade?
Yeah.
Yes. Look at my stick. That's
Or we could.
That's gonna be so thin.
Why?
Thin? This one's good. It's
Low.
Dude.
This is why, Drew.
where is it?
Whatever. I think it was like
mine actually
in
has
the
some
book.
structure to it.
Miss Elrod said taper, and then he looked over like he was about to say massive or something.
Riddleman, fuck it, man, massive.
Yeah, we had to let it out
I'm so good
in fifth period, and we almost had to sit out at flex because
He's not gonna win.
I'm going to win. Who's gonna write it? You should get.
Yeah, but nobody. He's not signed to a record.
No.
Or we could. We could.
I'm embarrassed of y'all.
Sign that song record.
Remember what?
And even if it's not copyright, we're not playing.
Low.
But are you gonna ask him?
This is why, Drew.
Whenever I think it was like in the book, it says taper, and then he looked over like.
Gingivitis is.
No, fuck it, ban that.
I think my second layer on the board
I almost got in trouble.
looks better.
Actually, that video about we Buddhist people had to say the shit.
You say Buddhist people? You mean monks?
Wait, is same thing?
You idiot.
Copyright? Wait, how long do we have? Because it's basically
No, we
We don't have a time limit. Apparently.
Yeah. Who would want to sign that song for record?
Remember what
And
Obama
even
said?
if it's not copyright, we're not playing.
He's his own
You're
label.
actually stupid.
Yes.
Yes!
I actually don't know what's on the side. I was even not.
Watch this. I'm gonna make a whistle out of
Corbin,
this.
you did that too.
You can't be fucking jet.
Alright, let's see if a rock can do something.
This side, or this side.
Isn't that cool, guys?
This one can. My knife can cut a rock. Oh my gosh, my knife can cut a rock.
What?
My knife can cut a rock, but it
You
can't.
have the best knife. You just
I know.
idiot. What's wrong?
Because I prepared for
Wait,
it.
how long do we have?
Alright, I found a tactic. I'm gonna use it.
Dude, you had to learn how to close the knife.
Bro, Brady, how
That'd
do you
be better
expect
if
how
they're
to.
shorter.
How do you close this knife? How do you think?
I'm trying
You
to.
don't lift it.
How
You
do I
push
get
it.
shorter
You push
without-
it towards you.
I have a knife just like that, but I think I lost.
How do you? I actually don't know cutting it.
Alright, hold on. I'm almost done marking it.
Go to Mark.
Yes.
Go to Mars.
I actually don't know which one's the short side.
No, fine.
I was using the.
I actually
long
have
short
heard
side.
Oh, you.
Oh, these are new pants. Yeah, you can't be talking.
They're brown either way.
It's actually maroon. This side,
Actually,
I want
ready?
this side because it's like.
Maroon is like
I
the
don't-
lighter color of this.
Let's see. This one's gonna break
Alright.
easily.
Oh, I almost just stabbed myself.
That one's gooder. This one, what's wrong?
I think I voted to the
That's-
office
Oh my gosh, my
yesterday.
napkin cut
And he didn't come back till like the end of class. Perry, he's a senior.
You know the best.
He already fell off from his hair.
Cameron did that and he was quick on it.
What was he saying? What was he
So
saying?
you had to learn how to close the knife. Bro,
What was he saying?
Brady, how do you expect how to?
Was he like, oh, I fell off the stage?
No,
I'm so coordinated.
You don't lift. You push it towards.
I have a knife just like that, but I think I lost it.
So was Cooper.
Of course.
And Grace.
Didn't you get help back?
No, but he's classifying.
Go to Marcus.
Go to Mark. That's all that.
I actually never heard
What?
of it.
These
are new pants. I know you, buddy.
Get your
They're brown either way.
It's actually maroon.
guys. So one of Corbin's dogs just ran out and got. So well, they're over goober gabbering. I'm working on my thing.
Oh no.
He already fell off.
This is
from
only
his
potty
hair.
knife, so we're not using anything else. We're only using potty knife for this to cut this, to mark it, everything.
Rogers?
Yeah. And
I'm filming.
what was he saying?
Alright.
He fell off the stage on purpose.
Reddy's trying to mess me up, but I'm locked in.
No, he leaned his chair back and then his hair was still in the spot and then he
You guys aren't even in the frame.
and recording ours?
Oh no, I got way too deep.
Bro,
Didn't he get held back?
no, but he's reclassifying and he's
Well,
going
they
back
perfect.
to senior year again.
Oh.
Yeah.
I call this a rock
Yeah.
my baby.
I can put it right there and then I can wrap it around and then put it there. And then wrap it
What?
Is that your dog?
Milo!
I know you, buddy.
Get your butt back in there!
You don't feel mad at me.
Hey, oh yeah, we can play Madden Ball Football.
Oh, that's okay. What are we doing?
Are we gonna fish in the morning?
Dogs? Do we have to leave Ann out?
Yeah, we can wake up earlier.
We always say we do when we never do.
Yes, we always wake up at 6 and then we never do anything after that.
Don't throw the knife.
Let's say
Let me feel it.
So far, I've been doing this for 13 minutes, and my knife is getting dull.
I think I'm done. Y'all rather have this stick or that stick?
You need to get more. Will look better.
I don't waste time.
Well, we don't have time in it, so you could make it look better.
I could be swimming. But no, I'm cutting wood.
Yo, where are you gonna swim? In the disinfected pond? What is that infected with? Show water?
What is that? What is that?
Yeah.
Mark?
Are you actually gonna go swimming there?
You're gonna die.
Yes, there's bacteria.
Even in the frame.
Oh, we also did.
Well, we're
Recording hours? We did swim at the creek a lot.
I'm low
And that has,
The creek is so high. Wait! Oh my gosh! This is why I'm ashamed of y'all.
Well, there's
This is why.
I didn't say it.
Go both ways.
What the sick man?
You're gonna
Bro,
break
I'm
the
a
knife. This is only fun. We're not using anything else.
Whoa, duh.
We're only using
What, do you want a tournament?
Somebody's gonna. We can do like first to Tatum.
But it was
Hey, Eagle! Hey, Hawk! Hawk, go away. Hawk, go to that.
No,
Shut
You're
up.
trying to mess me up.
Wait, have you gotten rid of the ducks?
Yep, they're locked in.
The duck too?
There.
You guys aren't even in the frame. Well, we're recording hours? Oh no, I thought this
I'm low taper phasing. This one I could use.
Is Ninja still dragging that?
I don't watch Ninja.
How are you supposed to put the line? But you're supposed to cut away from it. What's in there? Is that so hard?
Like,
I thought this was Rock My Baby.
Wait, I can put it right there. Shut up! Wrap it around.
Hold on, let me kick it.
Rock
Kick it.
by Ninja.
Yeah, you guys are definitely losing. You guys are definitely losing.
Use your knife.
We actually do not.
We go fishing.
Already, you're not even a part of this channel, so.
I'm like Carl.
So, you guys already done?
Oh yeah, we can play Madden College
Corbin-
Football at night.
Well, it would look better. Dude, it would.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait,
I'm not gonna have a 5-minute long
Let's play baseball.
Probably
I'm not
not.
having a 5-minute long
Go something.
Wait, I'm still
We have to leave at 9.
Yeah, wait, we're early.
The skip?
Yeah, throw
We
the-
always say we do and we never
Like
do.
you, Gilbert.
We always wake up at 6 and then we never do anything.
Corbin's cliff farming.
Alright, let's stay motivated. Hey, we need to hit that ladder drill.
Whoa!
Wow!
Oh, we went on a line! What?
Oh, it bounced off the pond into the next country.
Oh, Afghanistan, here we go.
Yes, we live
I think I'm done. Because I have 2 options. Would y'all rather have this stick or that stick?
You need to demark that one. You don't have
That's he just broke my rock.
better.
We're gonna break that.
Wait,
Oh,
for
come
comment.
I'm not doing that.
Automatically.
I don't waste time.
Well, we don't have time.
Where's my knife go?
You could make it
But like, I could be swimming right now. But no, I'm cutting wood.
swimming. Where are you going to swim? In the Disney pond? What is that infected with? So
What is that? What is that large
Are you
quantity
actually
of
going to
water?
swim in there? You're going to die. Yes, there's bacteria. No, the wait, there's no. Well, we also did.
Lorelai said that she's gonna try to swim to volleyball practice.
We did swim at the creek a lot. Well, the creek's good.
The creek is so high. What? Oh my gosh! This is why I'm ashamed of y'all. This is why.
I didn't say anything.
Y'all both wit. I'm just kidding. I love
You played hide and seek
No.
again?
Alright, I think I'm done.
Alright, let's go. No. You got
Bro, I'm gonna cross one of y'all up when we play football.
It looks partially.
Well, I'll know.
Basketball TV too?
Well, duh.
You have to subscribe.
Somebody's gonna. We can do like first to 10 and we just somebody record.
I need to break this.
If he doesn't make it to the pond, you have to subscribe.
Who would have guessed?
Alright, guys, we're trying to make it to 50
Hey,
subscribers.
Eagle!
So
Hey,
you guys
Hawk!
can have live content of us playing sports
Hawk,
and being
go
outdoors.
away.
Wait, you think that that's gonna let us
Hawk,
go
go to that.
Shut
We're like
up.
in warm up, so like in
In the, wait, have you gotten rid of the ducks?
No.
Day in the life of a game
Almost
day.
swimming, but it's okay. Cause
So
they're.
first, I wake up, go to school, and then after school, we have team lunch or dinner, and then we go on the bus.
We have Mountain Rush. kill you.
Then I can hear you scream.
Some
Why is this recording? What game? We've been talking to